Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit multiple records in an added table. The database I'm using is the CD database again. Connection string, everything is already set up. So I'm only going to do the coding. First I'm going to start off by going to the first record in the added table. And I want to change all the rock music to pop. So I'm going to start with the first record. I'm going to go through the whole table, check whether it's rock. If it's rock, then I'm going to change it to pop, and then I'm going to go to the next record, regardless whether it was a rock record or not. We still need to go to the next record. So I'm going to say first, then say while not added table one dot end of file. Now I'm going to test to check whether this added table, the genre is equals to rock, because if it's equals to rock, I want to put this added table in edit mode. Okay, so when it's in edit mode, I want to take the current genre, it should be rock, and I want to change it to pop. Okay, so I'm going to start with the first record. I'm going to run through this whole added table because I want to check all the records. Test the first one, check whether it's rock. If it's rock, put it in edit mode, change it to pop. Regardless whether it's rock or not, I still need to go to the next record. Okay, so let's say you go to first record, go inside a while, it's not a rock record, then we just go to the next one. Regardless whether it's rock or not, go to the next one. If it's rock, put it in edit mode, change it to pop, and still go to the next record until we reach the end of the file. Okay, so when I run this program, you will be able to see that it's actually running from the first record all the way to the last one. Okay, so you will see that there's actually a few rock records. I'm not going to edit jazz, I'm going to edit the rock. I'm going to run through all of them, and you will notice that they changed all the rock to pop under the genre. So this is how you will edit multiple records, not only one. Basically you want to go through your whole table and edit all of it.